Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. This is my all-time favorite vehicle. Yes, it's an old Mercedes S-Class, but I love this more than I have loved any other vehicle I have ever owned, and I certainly want to protect it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I protect this car, how I protect my reputation, and how I protect my bank account thanks to what's inside this box right here. This is the Red Tiger F77. It's the world's first dual IMX 678 4K dash cam. There's a front-facing camera, 4K of course, and there is a rear-facing camera, 4K of course. This is pretty much everything you get in the box. You have this amazing front-facing camera. There's the rear camera, a quick user's guide. This is a hardwired kit. If you don't want to go off of the cigarette lighter or the power point in your car, you can hook this up to your fuse box and you have protection 24/7. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. This is your wire kit for your fuse box. You get an extra cord, you get the charging point right here with a long cable, and then you get the world's longest cable to go back from this camera to this camera. Okay, this thing is so long, you could drive a station wagon and this would be fine. Anyway, you also get a couple of these little sheets to attach to your glass, and then you have these little mounting points that will attach right here to the sheets, and it will stay on your windshield or the back glass. This is what makes the F77 so special right here. This little lens right here, this is the Sony IMX 678 sensor technology. It features a high-performance image sensor for advanced 4K recording, which means higher resolution, fast autofocus performance. They use this in smartphones, security cameras, and this very fancy dash cam. And the F77 also uses Starvis 2 technology to improve overall image quality and reduce noise even in low light situations. This thing will record at night 4 times better than other dash cams. Okay, attaching the camera to your car is super easy. I've already kind of routed the power cord and everything using this tool they've given me. I just kind of shove it up here under the headliner. I've left the power cord and the cord that goes to the back camera. Now it's time to actually install these little static clean sheets. These are super easy to use. I like to put this kind of right around here. I don't want it to obstruct my vision, but I'm sorry for my passengers. It may, no, it's not going to get in their way at all. Anyway, so you put the static sheet right here, and then with the camera, you simply peel and stick. So you've got this, peel this off right here, and then you attach it just like that. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Make sure it's nice and level down to here. And then we can attach the power cord and the cord that goes back to the rear camera, just like that. And the same goes for the rear facing camera. This is your static clean sheet. All you have to do is peel the back off, find a central location for it, and attach it. I'm gonna put mine right there, okay? This makes it very convenient to remove if you want to get your windows tinted or you want to change the location or anything like that. Then all you have to do, peel and stick once again, take off the red, put it right here, and give it a little push. There you go. Look at that. And it's fantastic. And the cable is long enough, it'll go wherever you want to go. So we're going to move this to here, and then I'll just put this right back up there. Look how easy. And once you've got it attached, you can adjust it up and down just like this, and you're going to look through the front camera to make sure it's pointing in the right direction. This has a 170-degree viewing angle just like the front camera, so you're going to see everything coming and going. Now in my particular vehicle, the charging point is right here, which is almost kind of in the way of my shift knob. Okay, I can still move this around, so it's going to work. If I don't want to fuss with this, I can hardwire this into my fuse box, which will also protect the car 24/7, even when I'm not around, when I'm not driving. When the car is parked and someone bumps into it, this camera right here will start recording, and you will have the proof you need to protect yourself. Most cars will have some kind of a fuse box inside the cabin, and with the F77 you get 3 different versions of what will tap into your fuse box. You have the little mini fuse, a different size fuse, and the regular size fuse. There's an entire instruction manual online that will show you where to tap in and which fuse to use. Then you have this that's going to tap in to the red cords, And then this right here, the black wire, will lead all the way up and around everywhere you want it to go, and then right into your dash camera. So I don't have to have this particular power point being used by the camera, although I do get a USB port, so I can still use that. But if I want to close my ashtray right here, then I can do that because I don't have to have this, which makes, in my car, it looks so much better. So I might choose to use the hardwire dash kit. Okay, everything is installed and ready to go. You'll notice this is a 4-inch touchscreen. You have the front, you have the rear-facing camera right up here, which is really, really nice. It might be hard to see when I'm shooting in the direct sunlight, but we're going to drive around and I'll show you just how nice this is and how much you can actually record. And we're going to take the car out for a spin at night as well, because that is when things really get amazing, because the clarity, it's unbelievable. Like I said, it's 4 times more clear than other dash cams. Look at the picture. Look at that. Okay. Now there is, in addition to the 4-inch touchscreen, there's GPS, there is Wi-Fi, and once again, voice control. All right, here's a video from the actual app itself. You can see on top the video of what's actually happening. On the bottom, you get the GPS information right there. You can see I've just passed 51st Street. And look, it even has miles per hour. I'm going 35, 37, 38 miles per hour, which is amazing. And look how clear the video is on top. The front-facing 4K camera is amazing day and night. Here's some night video for you. Once again, I'm passing the Maverick fuel station, 22, 20, 17 miles per hour as I come to a stop at the stoplight right there. And look at the view. 170 degrees. This is almost all the way across. Here's a video of the daytime driving, and you can see the street sign, you can see the license plates, your huge viewing angle right there, 4K in the front, 4K in the back, crystal clear. I took some video and I'm zooming in right here. Look at the clarity. I'm way behind that car in front of me, and I'm just zooming in on my phone after I've downloaded the camera. Now I'm kind of zooming it back out because I'm getting too close to everything. And once again, should you need to know the license plate number, there it is right there. So there you go. That's going to do it for the Red Tiger F77 dual 4K dash cam. To be honest with you, I like it so much. I put one in this car and I put another one in my white Cutlass convertible there behind me. If you want to get some more information, check the description box below. It does go on sale from time to time, so you're going to save yourself a ton of money. And should something go wrong, you will definitely save yourself money, protect your reputation, protect your credit score, and protect the vehicle that you like so very, very much. So a huge thank you to Red Tiger for sending this to me. Please check them out. Please purchase one and protect yourself.